안녕하세요, Jerome Roeleo. Bangawoyo. On our previous lesson, we've learned first 5 vowels. Hope you've mastered these 5 vowels already. In order to make a sound or syllable, we add this zero thing or special consonant in each vowels. E, A, Ya, O, Yo. Well done! For this video, let's learn another 5 vowels. If these 5 letters are called vertical vowels, of course, there is also a horizontal vowels. If you don't know what is the difference between horizontal and vertical lines are drawn from top to bottom, and the horizontal line is drawn from left to right.
Now, let's flip this over to create a horizontal vowels.
There you go! Now we have horizontal vowels. Very tricky, isn't it? This one reads as oo, oo. Don't fully close your mouth, just leave a little opening in it. Oo, oo, oo. And write it this way. Now let's proceed to the second letter.
Ooh, ooh. And the pattern of writing is this. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Let's proceed to the third letter.
U. And the pattern of writing is this. U. U. U.
Well done! Now let's proceed to the fourth letter.
U. And the pattern of writing is this. U. U. U.
Last and final letter. U. And write it this way.
U. 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 Have you seen the difference in each letter? You can go back and listen how it's being pronounced. To make a sound or syllable, let's add this consonant in each vowels. Remember that this consonant is silent, so you won't have to pronounce it. Now let's get started. Last time, we had it beside the vertical vowels. But this time, we'll add it above or on top if the vertical vowels is used.
Now let's create some words out of those 10 vowels that we've learned previously. Try reading it on your own.
First, oo, 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 or number 5. Second, ooyu, 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 or a milk. Third, yo-oo, 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 or a fox.
Well done! That's it for this video. Try to read and write those 10 letters. And on our next lesson, we'll be discussing about double vowels. Thank you for watching and hope to see you on my next video.